From 1985 through the early 2000s, we built a single axle trailer that just had the SA or single axle designation, and the PSA itself didn't come about until around 2003. With the Pacesetter designation, three key features that stick out that we upgraded were paint, wiring and conduit to protect the wiring while going down the road, and brand new tires and wheels. The idea or the need behind the bifold gate was born out of reducing wind drag. At the time, vehicles with lower horsepower, you could tell the difference pulling a standard gate down the highway with like 48-inch high gate, and by cutting the gate in half or bifolding it, you reduced your wind drag by approximately 50%. The bifold gate has withstood the test of time, and even though it's more refined today with laser burnt shapes and some newer upgraded features, it's basically identical to what it was over 20 years ago. The PSA's always held a special place in my heart, and I was just so elated to hear about its return.